Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of boating essentials with what I consider the best short ratchet straps in the market. These are the boat trailer transom straps from U-GBP. If you're a boat owner like me, you know how crucial it is to have reliable straps for securing your boat during transportation. These U-GBP boat trailer transom straps are specifically designed to keep your boat securely fastened to the trailer, preventing any unwanted movement or shifting during transit. Let's talk features. These straps are made from durable nylon, built to withstand the elements and ensure long-lasting performance. They come with quick-release ratchets, making it super easy to tighten and adjust. Whether you're dealing with a small fishing boat or a larger vessel, the adjustable design accommodates various boat sizes. What I love most about these straps is the peace of mind they provide. Once secured, you can hit the road knowing your boat isn't going anywhere. Unlike traditional ropes or bungee cords that can stretch or snap, these straps offer a reliable hold. With a minimum brake strength of 2,400 pounds and a working load limit of 800 pounds. Using them is a breeze. Simply attach the S-hook to your trailer, loop the strap around your boat, tighten using the ratchet, and you're good to go. It's quick, efficient, and ensures a snug fit every time. To wrap it up, if you're looking for peace of mind when transporting your boat, these U-GBP boat trailer transom straps are a must-have. They're durable, easy to use, and engineered to keep your boat securely in place. Whether you're heading to the lake or taking a longer journey, these straps will ensure your boat stays put. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of essential products like this. Until next time, happy boating!